Hi there, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Richard, and this is the first video on practicing flying with the Cessna 172 Bravo, and we're going to taxi out to the runway. Now, I like to taxi out using the chase view. Looks like this. This is a chase view. I'm going to hit the up arrow to move myself up a little bit. And I'm actually going to hit the R key to roll up a little bit. And this is the way I like to taxi out. So I'm going to take off the brakes and add a bit of power. Okay, we're going to taxi out right that way. And in this case, I'm using, I'll use both hands when I need to steer. With the paddles in the middle of my CH Eclipse joystick, and if I need to change the throttle any, I'll just do it with my right hand here. Okay, I'm going to pull the throttle to idle here as we're coming out, and we're going to turn down this first taxiway to the left, and as I start to turn, I'm going to add a bit of throttle. Okay. And we'll cross the runway here, go all the way down to runway 5. Throttle idle. Get back over here on the line. Very important to look around here and make sure no other airplanes are coming around. But we're all by ourselves in the X-plane simulator, so that's not too much of a problem. Okay. Going to add a touch more power. Power's back to idle. I have my hand on the left hand on the throttle, right hand to turn here, and I can add a touch of power if I need to in the turn. Okay, since this is a mandatory stop, I'm going to toggle the brakes, and then I can look to the left and look to the right, make sure nobody's coming. And this is my view I like to use for takeoff. I can see all the instruments, and toggle the brakes off again, taxi on to the runway. Okay, guess we're on runway 5 there, aren't we? Okay, idle power. Toggle the brakes. Okay, that's it for taxiing out. I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more.